Okay, here is my chicken. I pounded it out as thin as I could, and then just turning it over in my flour. Then I put it right into my hot oil, olive oil and butter mixture. It's going to cook like that. I'm going to grab another thin breast. I like my chicken Marsala thin. Nice and hot in there. This is in my Instant Pot on saute. And I put my other breast in here. Okay. This is the 8-quart Instant Pot, which I love. And on a busy Sunday, it's nice to just throw it all together. Just let it cook on one side. So easy, all in one big pot. And instead of chicken Marsala taking potentially an hour or more, this is done in about 30 minutes. Then you can keep it warm right in there. And then what you're going to do is, ooh, that looks good. And then this. Get it golden if you can, so I'll flip it over. And then I'll put this on plates. And then I will put in my mushrooms, onions, and garlic on saute. Get those slightly browned up. Okay, this is how delicious the Instant Pot Chicken Marsala looks. I will secure the top, which is very easy to do. Then I'll change it to poultry. And then I'll go down to 10 minutes. It's really very easy with Instant Pot. I dirty up one big pot instead of 2 or 3, and that really makes me happy. Now I'll be back shortly to show you the results. This is what the chicken looks like. It looks delicious. Put some foil over that. And then I have this on saute. Again, and what I want it to do is to thicken with my half and half. Make sure that I stir this in. So the saute feature will thicken the sauce. I'll put the chicken back in there and just let it heat. Very easy.